Hello, 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 everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever place you are in the world. Welcome to today's in my presentation. Today, I want to take you through two ways of copying your referral link. Let me share my screen. Okay, two ways of copying your referral link. Number one, of course, you have to log into your back office. Of course, use your user ID and the password. Then you say you're not a robot. You log in. Once you're there, it's logging in. So you're able to see your profile. Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson, the username is, my full name is Johnson Gambi. Able to see it on the right corner there. Two ways of copying your referral link. That is the referral link. You click on the link, the referral link, and build your team. You copy the left referral link and copy the right referral link, and then you share those links. Another way of copying your referral link is to click on your profile picture. You click on your profile picture. Let me take this, my photo down there. User account. User accounts. On the, of course, if you want to upload your avatar, you can put your picture. You can put your picture. This is my picture. You can put your picture. Let's see what happens. Wow. Yeah. You can put your picture. Then you save. Then you save. Okay. Okay, that is not what we were supposed to be doing. Our purpose was to how to copy the referral link. You copy that. You can highlight that, and also you copy that. That's all. That's how you copy your referral link.